How did it change the flow of the game for you?
No, we couldn't get anything in the half court. You know, we weren't able to get into a flow. They were taking us out of our half court. So as an adjustment, we decided to try to up tempo the game or speed the game up. So that's where we got some easy baskets.
Thank you, Coach. We now open the floor for questions from our friends from the class.
Congratulations. Si Berto na last 2 games has been yung offense na has been picking up again how did you see? Lalo na ngayon na into the break, the share of the
Yeah, he's been our pillar naman. Si Berto has been our pillar on our offense. He's been playing great defense also. So, yeah, Nudge asked me earlier, how can we find that balance? And I said, si Berto is smart enough to know the balance between, taking over and, sharing the ball. He's been there for so long. I have no answers, I said, and it's up to Berto to play through his instincts.
Where to make the big shots in the fourth quarter, especially Boy na Amanda, with this win share the lead ko to break malaking pakiramdam na may hawak kayo dun sa taas ng standing.
Una, pasalamat sa Panginoon. Thank you. Chamba yung banda. Chamba talaga yun. So, yun nga. Minsan, pag tinitira mo, gano'n talaga.
Marami rin silang chamba eh.
Ang galing nila. Ang galing nila. Credit na hindi sila gano'ng kadali talunin. Ang galing ni Calvin. Ang galing ng team niya. So, tinabahawan talaga namin to. Alam namin, sabi nga ni Coach, bago yung start ng game na to, nagkumpul-kumpul lang kami lahat doon eh. 1-6, pare-pareho kami 6-6 to. And kahit 6-2 kami, hindi kami masaya kasi itong last 3 games namin nandun sa top 4 eh. So, Quintex, Magnolia, Converge. So, itong break na to, gagamitin namin as motivation pa na hindi pa pwede pa kami matalo 3 straight, 6-5 kami, pwede pa kami bumaba sa 8 or 7. Alam mo naman sa PBA, every game, championship game, lalo na sa amin. Yun nga, effort lang. Kita mo ng mga teammates ko, sila Bayo, lahat yan, mga yan, grabe magtrabaho yan. So, kailangan i-reward mo sila, kaya kumpiyansa ako pag pinapasa ko sa kanila, alam ko, na-shoot nila. Alam din ni Coach yan, yung mga batang to, grabe magtrabaho. So, pag meron sila, tira lang nila.
Coach, meron yung specific play na yung tinira niya
yung play sa kanya, yung tira, hindi. Pagkataon nga talaga yun. Siyempre, big time player si Berto. At
least, Chamba na daw nakabanda. Si Calvin nakailang banda eh. Sa gitna, 4 points, 3 points. So,
gano'n lang talaga. Who makes the baskets in the end, diba? So, we happen to make napako na sila sa 83. That's 83 all. Kami naka-stop, kami naka-score. Gano'n talaga.
Coach, nabanggit ni Berto yung kanina, how important ang victory na to considering na dikit-dikit kayo sa start?
Kaya kagabi, nasa second or third yata yung LX, tapos nanalo yung tenor siya, biglang bumaba kami ng ang laki ng binaba namin. Kung nanalo sana yung Tokentek, baka nasa taas pa kami. So, tama si Berto, importante lahat ng laro kasi pwede kang bumaba, pwede ka naman tumaas. So, focus lang.
Coach, how do you plan to manage yung next few days dahil maganda yung momentum ninyo tapos tigil lang?
Lahat naman tigil. So, we're all in the same boat. Pahinga muna ng konti and then back to work na naman. Wala lang ako, I will be in Gilas. So, kaya na ng mga assistants yun, just refine. So, yun.
Sama rin po siya kasama.
Hindi ko alam, wala pa akong ticket eh. Depende pa ko ng ticket, wala pa.
That ends our post-game press conference. Thank you, everyone. Congratulations.